Hey guys, it's Shaan, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Jabra Speak 510. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications by hitting that bell to see exactly when I post a new video. But other than that, let's get started. So checking inside the box, the first thing when you open it up, you get the Jabra speaker itself in its own case, what is pretty cool to make sure it is protected. Next, you guys also get a bunch of paperwork for getting started in under 5 minutes. What is pretty cool, it goes through everything, but you don't have to worry about that because I'm going to be explaining it in this video. You also get some warnings for if you live in North America, what's always good, just in case you want to know a little bit more. Next, taking a look at the actual device itself, the Bluetooth speaker, you get it in the actual Jabra protective case. What is, if you are traveling, you can always carry it in here. It has a nice inside to allow for no damage or scratches to the actual device, what is pretty good, and it has a nice snug fit for the actual speaker. Now, looking at it, towards one side you have the actual USB cable, and towards the other side you have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack port, just so if you want to go ahead and plug in your phone with a headphone jack. So towards the front of the speaker, you get the answer and decline button, the pause, the volume up, down, Bluetooth, mute, and battery button, and obviously the speaker with Jabra in the middle. You also get free updates for the Speak 510, what is really good. You get the actual USB cable that tucks into the device just in case you want to go ahead and charge it at any time. And also you could just keep it plugged in, as this is meant for Skype calls, business calls, just talking with your family or friends. It's definitely helpful. Towards the bottom you have a little rubber foot all around in a circle, so it doesn't actually move, but is really good as you don't have to worry about it falling over, getting pushed around, what is pretty cool. But that's all for the video today, guys. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. You guys can also go ahead and follow my social media, links down in the description below. Share with your family and friends if you guys did like it. But other than that, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.